Today we're looking at BUR1 asphalt-based split repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Common roof problems include splits caused by thermal shock and deck movement. Let's look at a three-course repair method. Use a spud bar to remove all gravel embedded in the membrane. Always clean the surface to better expose the split repair and ensure good adhesion for the repair products. Using a trowel, apply APOC 365 Eterna-Flash. Measure out a piece of APOC 483 polyester fabric. Using industrial shears, cut the APOC 483 polyester fabric, ensuring it does not extend past the patching compound. Using a trowel, lightly embed 483 polyester into 365 Eterna-Flash. Using a trowel, apply a top coat of 365 Eterna-Flash. Brush gravel over the split repair. Now your APOC BUR1 asphalt-based split repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.